Hi, today we are going to do expanding brackets. When you do expanding brackets, this is the process. We expand the brackets, then we check there are like terms or not. If there are like terms, we collect them, then we simplify. Okay, example 1, that is 2 times bracket x plus 5. When you expand bracket, you have to multiply all the inside terms of the bracket by the outside term. Okay, 2 times x, that is 2x. 2 times plus 5, that is plus 10. That's the answer. Example 2, that is 3 times bracket 2x minus 3 plus 5x minus 5. Okay, first of all we have to expand the bracket. Okay, 3 times 2x, 3 times 2, 6 and x. 3 times minus 3, that is minus 9. Then we have 5x minus 5. Now we check the like terms. Yes, we have, that is 6x and 5x and these numeric terms. So we have to collect them and write, that is 6x plus 5x minus 9 minus 5. 6x plus 5x, that is 6 at 5, that is 11. 11x minus 9 minus 5, that is minus 14. So 11x minus 14 is the answer. Okay, example number 3, that is 4 times bracket x minus y plus 3 times bracket x plus 2y. So we have to expand the brackets. 4 times x, that is 4x. 4 times minus y, that is minus 4y. When you expand the second bracket, you have to consider this sign also. Don't forget the sign, you have to consider this sign also. So that is, we take as plus 3 and multiply inside terms by plus 3. 3 times x, that is 3x plus 3x. Then 3 times 2y, that is 6y, that is also plus 6y. Now we check the like terms. We have like terms, that is 4x and 3x, 4y and 6y. So we have to collect them and write 4x plus 3x minus 4y plus 6y. Then we simplify. 4x plus 3x, that is 4 plus 3, that is 7. 7x minus 4y plus 6y minus 4 plus 6, that is plus 2, and the variable is y. So the answer is 7x plus 2y. Example number 4, that is 3m times bracket 2m plus 5n minus 2m times bracket 7n minus 5m. Okay, 3m times 2m, that is 3 times 2, 6, m times m, m to the power 2. Then 3m times 5n, that is 3 times 5 plus 15, m times n, that is mn. Now when you multiply the second bracket, the sign also important, that also you have to consider. So it is minus 2m times 7n minus 2 times 7, that is minus 14, m times n, that is mn. Then minus 2 times minus 5, that is plus 10, m times m, that is m to the power 2. Now we check like terms. We have here m to the power 2, here also m to the power 2, here mn, here mn. So we can collect them, that is 6m squared plus 10m squared plus 15mn minus 14mn. So these are like terms. 6m squared plus 10m squared, 6 plus 10, that is 16m squared plus 15mn minus 14mn plus 15 minus 14, that is plus 1mn. No need to mention 1 here. Mn means 1mn. Okay, that's the final answer, 16m squared plus mn. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.